Yeah, how I beat this last time is we got a car and we just drove.
Really?
Yeah, some guy had a car at this apartment or whatever.
Little Danny, hi little Danny.
Stay away from the cops and to get upstate. We left a dinghy in Ratton Canyon. That's your exit plan. There's a road coming to your GPS now. It'll take you off-road, away from the cops, and towards our boat. Stay together or go a different way if you want, but this will be the safest.
Oh my god, how did I do that?
Oh my god,
Oh
Quasar!
my god, that was so funny.
Oh my
was awesome.
gosh. This song is like so epic with the music too, or with the game. I'm like freaking out.
Get surrounded. Move.
Oh, if you press E, you get like a little speed boost.
I don't want to get faster. Oh, you fucking bitch! Oh, that pisses me off so hard. Get off me, you fucking dick!
Hey, Julie.
Hi, careful. I'm like just like, hi, careful. Okay, we're gonna run into it.
Here, I'll speed up. Why do they do that? Like, that's so rude. Hey. Because that's exactly what they're trying to do.
Oh, I just missed it. No! Oh my god!
You okay?
No, I fucking died, you fucking bitch suck! Oh my god! Claw King says he followed you, Quasar, on Twitter.
Thank you.
I wonder where that other guy's at. I haven't seen him yet.
I haven't seen the other guy either. I'm not trying to fucking die! Oh my god, you fucking bitch! Oh, I'm dying. I'm dead. I'm dying.
Please don't.
I'm dead.
Please don't. Please don't.
If they wouldn't stop running into me! Oh, the guy's right back. The guy was right in front of me. I died.
I don't even get the notifications that people die.
Well, it happened. I'm so mad, like I can't even.